We'll practice using exponent laws to simplify expressions. Here's the problem. Simplify two expressions. Part A, the quantity 3 to the fourth times 3 squared, all over 3 cubed, and part B, the quantity 2x cubed y squared squared times xy to the fourth, all over 4x squared y. First, for part A, we add the exponents in the numerator, and then subtract the exponent of the denominator. So we have 3 to the power 4 plus 2 minus 3, which is 3 cubed, and 3 cubed equals 27. Now for part B, we'll simplify step by step. First, square the term 2x cubed y squared. 2x cubed y squared squared equals 4x to the sixth y to the fourth. Next, multiply that result by xy to the fourth. 4x to the sixth y to the fourth times xy to the fourth gives 4x to the seventh y to the eighth. Now divide by 4x squared y. So we have 4 over 4 times x to the 7 minus 2 times y to the 8 minus 1. That simplifies to x to the fifth y to the seventh. Remember, when multiplying like bases, add exponents. When dividing, subtract exponents. And when raising a power to a power, multiply exponents.